Hello friend, myself Rachana Singh. In my previous video I have described about intersectionality and today my topic is form of intersectionality. If you haven't seen my previous video, I have shared the link in the description box below. Now let's go with today's topic. According to Kimberly William Crenson, there are three forms of intersectionality. They are structural intersectionality, political intersectionality, and representational intersectionality. Let's go on another slide so how this form intersectionality occurs in individual lives. Structural intersectionality. It occurs when social structure that creates and organizes different social groups, example gender and race, which interacts to produce effects that may not be intended. Political intersectionality. It occurs when the political movements working towards justice for different groups, example feminism and anti-racism, interact to extend or marginalize the interest of some subsets of the group or reinforce another form of injustice. Representational intersectionality. Representational intersectionality occurs when image or truths are taken to be representative of the groups, ignores or disorder the complexity of the group. For example, one foreign company gives or hires five black women. In that company, female job was secretarial job and black men job was cleaning job. When the company hires five black women, they suffer from simultaneous discrimination because female facilities was given to white women and racial facilities was given to just a black men. Black women were not getting any kind of facilities. This is the example of structural intersectionality. Black men were pushing those black females towards feminism and white women were pushing those black females towards anti-racism. This shows the example of political intersectionality. After facing simultaneous discrimination, they file case in the law thinking that the law will give us justice, but they lose the case because they didn't have any specific evidence that they were being discriminated. They just say that the company is hiring and giving facilities to women and black men as well. They cannot say that to provide some benefits to black women because they are saying they are feeling discriminated. It will be injustice for other category people and we want equality for everyone. This is the example of representational intersectionality. Because black women thought that their law will provide justice to them, but the result was not what they had thought of. In this case, representation or representative was law, and the law ignored or complexity which black women were facing. So guys, now you might have understand the form of intersectionality. If you have any kind of confusion regarding form of intersectionality, kindly comment down. I will try to explain it in a more effective way. For today this much only and thank you and have a good time ahead.